my god, why is this so terrifying? What the fuck? What is up, Susie Ray fam? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited because we're back with something different, a little fun, and we are going to be looking at makeup under a microscope. Now, I'm telling you, my makeup is dirty. I haven't brushed my brushes in a very long time, so you're gonna be seeing a lot of crazy things here. Let's see how this goes. If you guys are interested in this, please stay tuned, and if you would like to see me doing my makeup under a microscope, please subscribe because that will be up next. So I have my little microscope here, you guys, which, okay, it's on right now. So let me tell you a little backstory first before we start. My fiance was the one that came up with this idea. He's gonna show you when I actually bought it, or when he actually bought it for me, because he was the one that told me, oh my god, that would be such a cool idea if you would do like your makeup under a microscope. And I was like, huh, that's pretty interesting. Like, I never even would have thought about that. And he actually bought me the microscope, but during that time I received it and I was super lazy because it was almost my birthday, and I was going on vacation that week too, so I just like never filmed it. And now that I'm looking at everybody's doing that on YouTube, I'm like, what the hell, I could have been the first one. So this is just to let you know, guys, whenever you have an idea, whenever something pop up, do it right away because somebody else will do it. Okay, just do it. Anyways, you guys, let's get right into it. Let's see what we find today. So you guys are gonna be seeing my little screen right here, so you guys can check out what the hell is going on right now. Okay, you guys, so I'm sorry about the exposure here that's going on because everything is gonna be like because of the sun outside, so yeah, I'm sorry. But you guys are gonna see my reaction on this little tool right here in case you guys are interested. I'll link it down below. I did get this on Amazon, so yeah, well, my fiance did. So anyways, let's go ahead and look what the hell is up all over this. Let's go ahead and look at makeup. So I'm gonna show you guys first my dirty ass brushes just because you have to see this. Let's see how this one, because I just finished doing my makeup, that's another thing, so let's just see how this looks. This should be interesting. Oh my god, you guys, what the f? It has glitter. I haven't used glitter. Okay, let's just go in deep. That is terrifying. What the f? Why am I so shaky? I don't like it. Oh, whoa, you guys, what is that there? What? This has hair that is not even supposed to be on there. Oh, this is actually pretty fun. You guys, let's look at my foundation brush. Like, that's the one I want to see. The one that I use the most. Let's see, where are you? Where are you?
Let's look at my dirty ass
face brush because I want to see if this is why I'm getting pimples sometime. Look at this.
What is that? What is that? What is that? What is that right there? What is that? What is that? What is that?
Dude, I cannot see that. I cannot see that. Obviously, it's a microscope, but what? I need this type of eye vision because, honey, oh my god, let's go in. So I'm just like literally putting it inside you guys right now so you guys can see more. Hello, in this focus. Oh my god, why is this so terrifying? What the f? My face. Ay, Dios mío, what? You guys, this is literally very like, I really need to clean my brushes. You guys think it's kidding when people tell you that you should be cleaning your brushes more often? Like, it's no joke. Like, look at this, disgusting. Oh man, I shouldn't have looked at this. I'm probably not even gonna do my makeup anymore because what the f. Okay, so I'm just looking at it from the outside now. Like, what the fuck is that, you guys?
What the hell is that?
Oh, hell no. Where are you, little bitch? Like, is that a bug or some shit? I don't know, you guys, but this is really weird. Okay, so I hope you guys got enough about the brush. Let's just go on now to my sponge, which has been laying around everywhere. I just finished using it as well. So, and it also has a little hole right here. So let's see how you guys like that.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, why?
I don't think I like this feeling. Ooh, okay, let me focus first. I don't like this feeling, you guys. I don't like it. Look at all these little holes.
It gives me like something.
Oh Lord, why do I do this? Okay, let's go to the part where it's like more foundation, like it has a stain right here. Like, is that on my dad's skin cells? Like, what is that white stuff in there, you guys? What the fudge is that? Like, is that supposed to be even there? I'm gonna use a part that I never used to see the difference, because I'm kind of concerned right now. Like, what is all of that white stuff? So I actually never used this part right here. So let me just look at that. Looks like I have used it, obviously. Dude, this is dirty. But I never used this part. How is it so dirty? Like, look at that surface, how disgusting. And like, since when there's a hair in here?
Why can I not see that hair?
What the f***? Where is it? I do not see that hair. Dude, I do not see those hair. Those like, how, why, where?
Dude, that is not even fair. Like, what?
Okay, so as you can see, you guys, you definitely do not see those like white particles that we saw on the other part. So let's just go ahead and go back to that to see. Can you like, you think those are that dad's skin or something? I don't know. Oh my god, so this is like all of the parts that I use. It even has glitter. It's like hair inside. I don't know how that got in there, to be honest. Like, I just don't understand. But then over here, you guys can see all that white stuff. I'm so confused as to what that is. What in the fucking world? Could that be the concealer or the foundation? Or let's look at the concealer to see what the hell is in it. Okay, you guys, so the concealer that I did use was a Tarte Shape Tape. Let's go ahead and see what is in here. I'm just gonna show you guys the wand to see what is in there. Let's just see this. Oh, this is, what the fuck? Dude, I see the worm. Do you see that down there? Oh, wait, what the fuck is in there? Like, something is living in there, honey. Dude, this looks dirty. How? Look, what's down there? Oh, I hope this is not a bacteria. Can I see bacteria with this? Like, what are those little black things? You guys, I am so hella confused right now. So this is the end of the, that looks pretty clean. I like that. And this is the concealer, the tip, look at the tip. Something I'd be dying to look at is my mascara, just because you never know what is under these little bitches. So let's just go ahead and see. I mean, this mascara looks pretty clean, to be honest. You guys, look at this crap. This looks so scary. Oh my god, like, how do I even put that on my eyelid? On my eyeballs, honey, on my eyeballs. How? Okay, so yeah, this is pretty boring. This looks pretty clean. What, I actually need to put this on my eyeballs. So how can I? Oh my god, you guys, let's look at my favorite highlighter. Of course, it's the Ofra Cosmetics. Let's see what's in it, because I think it's almost ending. I had this since 2016, so this is old. Let's see what's in it. Ooh, this actually looks really good, you guys. Why does this look really good? I do not like that ending. Like, ooh, that looks quite disturbing. That's dirty, my friends. That is a dirty ass. Whoa. Ooh, that looks so nice. Okay, next, I'm getting bored of this. Let's look at my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade that always freaking drying out, and it's probably almost dry. Whoa, that's a very weird looking texture, my friend. What the f is up? Whoa, that's a lot of hair, you guys, in there. What the hell? My brow's going balls, and I didn't even know. What the hell? Whoa, look at all of that. Yo, I swear, I feel like I'm seeing so much bacteria like growing into my makeup. I'm not even kidding you guys. Like, what is all of this? A brow hair, you guys. Oh my god. Like, I'm sure you guys can see that. Like, do you see all those little like black things in there? Okay, you guys, so I'm actually gonna be showing you the palette that I just used on the eyes. Gonna show you guys the eyeshadows that I use. Wow, that is so chunky. I wasn't expecting that to be so chunky. That is pretty. That is really pretty. If you guys are enjoying this, please give it a thumbs up, because this is a lot of work. Oh my god, could you guys think that's bacteria or something? That looks like poop, bro. Like some type of animal poop. Bro, what is that? What is that, you guys? And you know what's the crazy thing? That I'm not able to see this. Like, I'm not able to see none of these little black things here. So you never know what the hell you're putting on your eyes, you guys. Like, I cannot see that. Anyway, my love, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys really enjoyed this. Please stay tuned for my next video where I will be doing my makeup, completely doing my makeup under a microscope. help. I don't know how to say that, but stay tuned for that. I hope you guys really enjoyed this. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys thought about this. Is this stupid or crazy? I mean, I'm pretty much kind of terrified of everything that I do. I really want to change up everything now and clean up more of my stuff more often, because that was really scary, to be honest. Like, no wonder why we usually have like pimples and our face is always breaking out. Like, hello, like these things get really dirty, especially with the air. Like, it's just too much, you guys. Anyways, stay tuned. I'll see you guys on my next one.